Hey guys, this is Rishendra. Yesterday I explained about inventory management system. So today I will explain about a hotel management system. So this is like one level above the inventory management system. So on first I explained about library management system, so that is like level 1, and inventory management system, that is level 2, and this is hotel management system, so this is level 3. So this is the last level for the combination, for doing coding using a combination of Python, Streamlit, and SQL. So now, let me share my screen. I can show you. Um, I can show you the code. Okay, so I hope that you can see my code. Okay, now, since I uh, since those are all the same import functions, so you've seen these import functions yesterday also. So there's Streamlit for user interface, import mysql.connector. So I already told you this. So instead of MySQL connector, if you want to use SQLite, you can use SQLite 3. But I connected my Python to MySQL. So I'll be using MySQL, and pandas is useful for creating tables, and dated time function for importing the dates. Yeah. So now, as you can see here, so the database connection, you already know, mysql.connector connect host. I'm using localhost, username and password. So those will be the same username and password that you created uh, while setting up your MySQL accounts. And now for the database, as you can see here, I created a new database, hotel underscore DB. And if you want, you can check. So just write show databases. Oh, sorry. So as you can see here, you can see the hotel DB database. So we will be using that database for today's example programming. And now, programming. Now, this hotel management system is built b- using Python as a, you already know, is built using Python as backend logic, Streamlit as user interface, and MySQL as database storage. So this system, it allows like the hotel staff to add rooms, view room details, book rooms for customers, check out customers, search customer bookings, view hotel statistics, and yeah. So it allows the system allows the hotel staff to do this. Now, let's go to the first section, which is creating the tables. And as you can see here, cursor.execute. So we wrote create table if not exist rooms. So of a room ID, room number, room type, and price and status. So for creating tables, I created it such that if the room number it doesn't exist, so and we can add the room number. We can add a room number ourselves. So, for example, if there's room like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, so and we want to add room number 6. So, if the room number 6 is not already uh, in there, then we can add room number 6 and yeah, room number 6, yeah. And we can add it as a single room, maybe double or suite, whatever room you want. And as you can see here, uh, I created another table. So this is one of the tables which shows the room ID, room number, room type, price, and status. And this is one more table. So there are two tables here. So in this table, it takes care of the bookings. So there's a booking ID, customer name, phone number, room number, check-in date, and checkout date. So these two tables are connected. So I'll show you that later. So uh, it will be like if the room number is there. So we can write the room number which the person is taking, and then we can update the status of the room to take it. And the next one, here you can see the titles. So this is the sidebar select box menu. So here you can see I I've kept the select boxes. I wrote the select boxes as add room, view rooms, book room, checkout, search customer, and dashboard. So I'll explain you each of these separately. So first we look into the add room. Um, so here, if choice is called add room, you can see the subheader as add new room and room number and room type. See, I told you about the room type and I kept the I wrote three room types. So the first one is single and second one is double and the third one is suite. So if they, I mean, there may be 4 or 5 room types, but like some for like uh, there may be rooms specifically for children's, or maybe there may be like a big a double connecting rooms, maybe I don't know. But I wrote single, double, and suite as the room types. So as for the price, so the minimum value is 0. And if add rooms, you can see cursor dot execute, insert into rooms, room number, room type, price, and status. So insert into rooms, so it stores the room information. So here you can see it stores the information as room numbers, room type, price, and status. And here you can see room it's available, and you can write it as room added successfully. You will get it. So let me run this and I will show you separately. So let me run it as Streamlit space, run space, example dot py. Yes, so now you can see here, this is room numbers. So you can add the room number as uh, maybe 11, or you can add it as 0011, whatever you want, and however you want. And I'm going to add it as a single room, and the price maybe 300, and you can do add room, and you can see that the room is added successfully. And also you can see it doesn't allow duplicate entries, so it's a single entry. So if you add a room like 12 and single, you can see that room added successfully. And now the next part is view rooms. So here the view rooms, it gives you can the rooms that you added in the add rooms, you can see in the view rooms separately. So it will show you a table with the room ID, room number, room type, price, and status. And you can see I wrote it as select star from room. So select star from rooms, it shows me all the information that I added into the add-ons module. So if I wrote it as select star from rooms, where room type is equal to suite, or maybe room status is equal to available, so it will show me only that specific type of information. So since I wrote it as select star from rooms, so it will show me all the information about the rooms and not the specific one. So let me show you that. The view rooms. So as you can see here, it is showing me all the information about the rooms. So the remaining ones I added before for testing of the code. So as you can see here, I added room numbers 1 to 10, and I added some of single and double rooms and suite. And for room type and for price, there's 600, 1200, 300, and status, all of them are available. So um, the next one is room booking. So as you can see here, select room number from rooms where status is equal to available. So what it does, it gives me a uh, drop down menu with the list of rooms that are available in right now. So right now, and now for if rooms are available, you can input the customer name, phone number, available rooms, a select box, a check-in date, and check-out date. And you can do book room and insert into bookings customer name, phone, room number, check-in, check-out. So it, and also update rooms where status is equal to booked. So once the room is booked, when you view the rooms again in the view room table, it will show one of the rooms as booked. So that means whenever uh, again when you book the room, it will show you it as not um, it will show you as booked and is not available. So let me show you that. So here you can see book rooms. So here all the available rooms are there, and from 1 to 12. So If I give the room like 4 and customer name, let's give the customer name as mm, maybe John, and phone number as nine phone number as 93680 16382. So that is his phone number, and now I gave him room for. And for check-in date, it's 6, and for checkout date, check-in date, I wrote it as 6, and for checkout date, maybe let's give it like 8, and book room. So now since the room is booked, now when you go back into the view rooms, you can see that room number 4 is booked and is not available. So now uh, let's add another room so that I can show you. So let's add like room 7, and customer name is uh, Jane, maybe. Mm, and phone number is 904 499 6180, and the check-in date is 9, and checkout date is like 12, and book room. And as you can see here, the book is room is booked successfully. And now when you go back to view rooms, you can see that room 7 is booked and is not available. So now you understand this uh, room book. And now let me show you next one. So the next one is the uh, checkout module. So here you can see select I wrote cursor dot execute as select room number from rooms where status is equal to booked. So since I specified the condition where the status I have status is equal to book, so the I will only get a list of rooms from the drop down the select box where only the rooms that are booked uh, is the only information I get. So since I booked, we have seen that the rooms 4 and 7 are booked. So I should only get the rooms that are booked, which are 4 and 7. So here you can see if the checkout button and the book rooms, and delete from bookings where room number is equal to. So this is what this will do is it will delete the room num. So if they are checking out and we want to delete the room number from the room bookings, so we can just select whatever room number we want, then we can just click checkout, and it will it will come as checkout completed. So the next, let me show you that. So here you can see checkout, and see since the 4 and 7 are the rooms that are booked, you can select one of them and you can select checkout, and you can select maybe 7 and you can do checkout. And when you go back to view rooms, you can see that 4 and 7 are available right now and they are not booked. And since they are not booked, they will be available. available. And okay, so let me explain you the next one. So the next one is search customer. So here you can enter the customer name if they booked the room. So for example, let me show it here. So for room booking, you can say John, mm, and yeah, that's his phone number. And you can do like available rooms, maybe three. And so yeah, so book the room is booked. Now when you go to search customer and you can select and you type in John and search and you can see that the details of all of him will come. So you will get the booking ID, the room, the customer name, phone number, the room number he is staying in, the check-in date and the checkout date. So so when you search for the customer, this is the table that you will get, and these are the columns. And the last one is the dashboard. So here you will see how many the total number of rooms, the rooms that are booked, and the number of rooms that are available. So we have a total of 12 rooms, and one of the rooms is booked since we added John as the customer, and the number of rooms available are 11. Left are 11. So yeah, this is the hotel management system. So this is like the last level of uh, where you how uh, you can learn coding using a combination of Python, Streamlit, and SQL. So if you can code it, if you can code a combination like this, so that means you you can code it like mm, anything you want. I see. So yeah, so let me stop the screen share. So yeah, that's it for today, and yeah, I'll see you again maybe tomorrow or Monday. So yeah, see you.